Okay, this is Frela from Any House Cleaning. Another question that someone asked me on Facebook was how to remove the grout and haze from new tiles, of course, and the dust. You have a couple options. First option is to mop with water and vinegar many times. Another option is to go to Home Depot and buy this product. This is a phosphoric acid. You don't need to dilute with no water. Ready to use. You have to have protections. Mask, eye protector, glasses, and glove. Okay? The way I used this product before I work in, and it works. Because it's liquid, it will vanish really fast. So the way I put this product in one bowl, okay? You have to buy Bounty towel sheets. Try to buy the brand Bounty because that's a really good brand, and you can put the product inside the Bounty. I don't know if you can catch me that, okay? So all the Bounty sheets needs to be wet with this product, and then put the paper of the Bounty sheets on the wall if that's a shower, or on the floor if that's a floor, right? And this is the good trick, especially for vertical surface in showers. Or you can use a sponge, put the product, let it sit on the surface that is the floor, and then with a regular mop you rinse. Scrub a little bit. I use this product and I use another product that is called Max Duo from Ecolab. But this is the most easy way to go just to Home Depot as a representative, or Google in that page. They have instructions, photos, like this, right? And you have all the specifications here. Okay, as I told you, this is a safe cleaner that is effective, remove single component like epoxy, grout, things like that. This is the specification. Here is the question and answer. You click here and there is a lot of questions that you can read. The most important thing in a cleaning business is to be informed. You have to educate yourself. So just check it out, this product, okay? Thank you. Bye.